possess the power of a god.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting no licks in the bank. Legacies,